my name is Claudia Thomas, and I'd like to welcome you to the luxury living in the beautiful Plantation Bay. We're taking you inside the stunning Blossom 2, an inviting, low-maintenance townhome featuring 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage, with just over 2,000 square feet of thoughtfully designed space. From the moment you step inside, the 10-foot ceilings and open concept layout really create a bright and airy feel that's instantly welcoming. Downstairs, you can enjoy your screened-in lanai, perfect for your morning coffee or your evening wind down. The upstairs has a bonus room that gives you the flexibility to create the ultimate office, lounge, or media hangout. If you're looking for a home that's a mix of modern and elegance, the Blossom 2 has it. Let's take a closer look. So come see me in Plantation Bay and let's schedule your tour today.